Hi friends, how are you all? Today we are going to see about the topic Two Gentlemen of Verona, A.G. Cronin. Part 2. Nicole and Jacob, they enter into the hospital. They says, if you I take the time within 1 hour, I will come again. In this time you go and take tea or coffee in the village. The Nicola and Jacob says that. After that, the author they have to think and go to the entrance of this grill, ring the bell. After that, the sister is come. She is very pleasant looking and also wearing the spectacles. Her appearance is a white, wearing the white uniforms like nurse. He says, I bought the two small boys. Nurse says, oh yes, Nicole and Jacob, I will take up you. The nurse says. After that, he have to think in her mind about the hospitals and the circumstances of that hospital, the villa. They have to earn money, no, that money is give to this villa, this hospital, and they have to think it. After the little cubicle door, there is one nurse is pass, put finger in her lip. After that, the nurse says, you go and look the glass partition. Arthur go and look the glass partition. There is a two boys seated in that. And the one girl, they have to 20 years old resemblance like her. They have to affected the tuberculosis. And also these two brothers are like that, Lucia. There is a flower wash in the table and also fruit dishes and several books. And the nurse is enter. Why you won't go in? They have to ask Muhammad, and Arthur says, if I go inside, they have to speaking something. It should be disturbed for her. No, so I didn't go. They says. After that, she explained. Arthur asked, if you know about anything about these two brothers, if you have to say to me. And next nurse says, yes, I will say. Except the sister, there is no one to her life. So her father is a well singer, is killed in the war. After the bomb blast, he destroyed her home. He thrown into the street. These children come to the street. After they have to move somewhere. After a few months, they have to made a one roof like with her own hand. In these 3 years, they have to German city. They have to rule German peoples. They have to rule the country. And next, these Germans, the two boys are hate. They have to resist movement on a start. It should be first joined by the two brothers. After the war, there is a peace. And next, after the day, they go and see her sister. She was suffering tuberculosis of Spain. They have to worried, so sad, because they have to affected the tuberculosis of Spain. And after that, they have to take care the sister to hospital. With 12 months, they have to give treatment in this hospital. It is a very good progress. They have to improve herself. I think, I hope she is well walk. She will walk and sing again, I think. Her nurse says. After she says, they have to think in mind what they have to do. I think they have to heavy work for her sister, and also they have to work hard and pay the money for this. They didn't have to take the food properly, and also in that scattered time, I didn't change the fees amount, but the Lucia's brother, they have to pay properly. They every weeks. I don't know what they have to do, and I don't know ask to her. If the Verona city there is no work, if it is so tough to get the works, I don't know they have to work and where they have to work. Author says I think they have to do better in our life, and also they have to work truthfully. After that they have to earn the money and get it to that place. After finishing that, the two boys is come outside and they also drive with Arthur. Arthur have to drive. That two boys have to simply sitting. They have to quite mum. Arthur think how much they have to maintain the secret. We have to see. The Arthur says. After that, the Arthur think in her mind the war is broke the spirit, but the self actions it's brought nobility to her human life. And this also they have to hope good preference to her human society. So we have to consider as a two gentleman of Verona. Okay children, next we have to see the summary of once again. And there is an author and two boys, Nicole and Jacob. They have to do many works, and also they have to selling the fruits, and the author also get the fruits. After that they have to these sellings and these hard works for her sister Lucia. She was affected in the tuberculosis, so that only these two brothers have to work hard. They and the author have to know that. After the knowing, also the two brothers they have to maintain the secrets. That secret is affect the attract the author. So we have to consider the two boys are two gentlemen. Author have to think. So this story, if you have to like this, please subscribe and share the videos. Thank you for watching children. I am